Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is your 12th Python tutorial video, and in this video we're going to be downloading Pycharm. You may be wondering why we will not be using Visual Studio Code. It is because now after a few more lessons we will be downloading modules and extensions, and we will be using them a lot. So in Pycharm it is automatically downloaded. We don't have to do it manually. Only some extensions we have to install it. But in Visual Studio Code we have to install every single extension manually, like the Python extension we had to install in the beginning, if you remember. So yeah, let us move right on to it. But before that, let us revisit what we learned last time. So last time we learned about giving default values to an argument. So we determined how many years there will be left for a specific person to drink. Who can drink alcohol. So yeah, that's what we did last time. So let's move on to today's lesson. So go to a browser first and then write this link down. So it is www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download/hash section equals Windows. The link will be in the description below, so you can just click on that link and it will show up something like this. So click on the community one and click download. So after you have clicked download, I think it will start in automatic download. I have it already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. Alright, wait a second. So I need to cancel my download because I have it already. So now after you're finished downloading it, open it and it will look somewhat like this. So it will look somewhat like this, and now let us create a new file. But for that, in order to create a new file, we need to create a new folder in a specific part of your computer. So let us do new, let's create a folder and let us name it something. So let's name it something. Alright, so let's save it. And then let's move back to Pycharm and let's go to file. So go to file and click on new project, and then now give the folder destination. Let's say we go into something, it is in the desktop. So now select your project interpreter, which will be the Python you downloaded. So it is Python 3.8. Select that and then click on create and click on new window. So we have our first project running. Alright, now let us say we want to create a new Python file because we can't write anything over here. We can't write anything over here. So we are switching everything. So alright, so now let's create a new Python file. So we need to create the Python file inside the something folder. So let us right click on that folder, click on new, click on Python file, and give the name. So name.py. So I don't need to give it the .py extension because it is automatically given because it is a Python file. So enter, save that. So you have a new file. Now you can code. Alright, so but before that, let me tell you something interesting, which is, so I have created a Python file inside the something folder, and guess what? It will be also saved in the something folder in the desktop. So here we go. We have name.py over here. So that's something interesting about this. So making another folder and saving all the files inside it is important because in the future, when you have to work with multiple files, not only one file, when you have to use multiple files, it is really important to save it inside a single file and you know what file it is and it is together. So that's why I'm teaching you guys how to create a new folder first and then saving all the files inside the folder. So now let us try running our first program. So let's print something out. So let's say var, not var, we're declaring a variable. I was mistaking it with JavaScript. So num equals to 14. Chen equals to 13. I don't know how that is possible, but then let's print out. Let's print so num and Chen. Alright, so then how do you run your first program? You can't click on the run thing here right now. So you have to first right click on that program and click on run name. So run this guy and we have it here. So now you have run your first program, then this will be enabled because it will add to the configuration. So now you can just click on this, and it will run like over and over and over and over and over again. So yes, that's how you run in Pycharm, that's how you create a new folder, that's how you put everything inside the same folder. So that's pretty much about it for today's lesson. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So peace.